off to the drift track. Decided to go down and see if our boy Aaron has a spare seat in his drift car. So we're doing a full video coverage for his season. So he's like, oh, come down and we'll go for a couple laps. So either me or Kerry will go for a couple laps. So we're going to see if he's available and have some fun. About to go out for a couple laps, so check out the next sweet clip. Broken axle. Not very ideal. So we just got in the car with Andy. This is a GTR. How fast is this?
Average.
Average? So we're talking like 500 kilowatt?
Oh.
A little less, you reckon?
Less, you know, a bit less.
And I see you've just got a new gearbox installed.
New gearbox here? Yeah, just working my way back into an automatic.
Into an automatic?
Full auto.
Is that what happens when you start to get a bit older?
Get the paddle shift next.
Yeah. Hey.
Don't have to worry about anything. Yeah, maybe some hand controls even.
So we'll take it for a couple laps and we'll see how this thing goes. I haven't even put the foot down yet. Feels like racing out.
That's quick. We're in 300, I reckon.
300 kilowatt?
Haven't had it on a dyno, so I don't really know.
About you guys, but that was pretty damn quick. I really don't believe you that's 300 kilowatt.
Nah, my foot slipped.
Foot slipped? He thinks he's got a chance.
There'll be a race coming up.
Time to show him who's boss, eh?
I don't know about that. It's always the faster car, mate. Oh, those brakes aren't feeling too good.
Unfortunately, we ran out of brakes. But it was all good fun.
We didn't do too badly.
We didn't do too badly for no brakes.
Just using three-wheel brakes there. Oh, it's good. It's taking a spin.
No, that was good fun. I thoroughly enjoyed that. Thank you so much, Andy.
My pleasure. Please come again.
So we just found Justin Ferris in his 67 Impala, and this thing is so damn cool. Look at this. So I just jumped in the passenger seat, and we're just doing a couple laps around the car park. So luxurious, you know, heaps of room, and it's bloody hot out there, so it's nice to get out of the sun.
Wish it had aircon.
Yeah, no aircon, no worries.
Yeah.
Such a cool car. Everybody is just jaw dropped. I feel like a baller in this. Look at that roof. Really pops in the colour. Wheels, beautiful. Thanks for the ride, Justin. Alright, so we're just in the car with Max Flower, Mad Max, the 26B RX7. This thing is going to be crazy cool. Gonna send it? Let's send it, bro. Let's send it. Can't time it to speed. So we just got in trouble, pulled off the track because we were going too fast. So that was awesome. Alright, so we've just got back to our place in Hamilton. We've got the journey back to Wellington tonight. Foreign Rotaries, what a weekend. 3 full action-packed days. The weather has turned it on. It was about 30 degrees every day. Cars were amazing. We went on some real cool drives today and some really cool cars. Can't wait to see what the next anniversary has in store. So that's us for now, and we'll see you in the next video.